Hi cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Tuesday, May 24th, 2021. Or it's not 2021, 2022. I lost a year. Started a bike ride at 9:58 a.m. I would have started a few minutes earlier, but as I was getting ready to leave, I squeezed the tires on my Linsky R300 and they were a little soft. It had been a while since I've aired them up, so I walked out to the garage, got my air pump, pumping them up a little over 80 psi. Weather today is 78 degrees, overcast, wind is out of the east at 9 miles an hour. There's a slight chance that I might run into some rain today, but I'm going to say no. Later tonight, different story. Today's route, going to go south through Atascocita to Walden, east over Lake Houston, south on Fair Lake Lane, Old Atascocita Road to FM 2100, north on FM 2100, and then west on FM 1960, and then back through Atascocita and back to Kingwood. Probably 33 miles. I need 180 miles to reach my goal of 700 miles for May. This might be my last bike ride on the Linsky R300. Yesterday I received my new Linsky Helix rival ETAP AXS bike. I'm not able to, or I'm not putting it together just yet because I'm waiting on the disc rotors to arrive, which should come by Thursday. Then I'll start assembling the bike. Riding southeast on Benz's Branch Drive in Kingwood, south of Town Center Park, hearing lots of thunder. Sky's a little gray. Not sure how far I'm going to get. I like to go at least 10 miles to make it what I would consider a real ride. I'm riding south over the San Jacinto River. Clouds look pretty threatening. That's to the east. Up ahead to the south. Looks a teeny bit better. I don't think I'm going to make it across Lake Houston. Just turned onto the Atascocita hike and bike trail. I haven't been on this trail in months. This is probably as far south as I'm going to go on the hike and bike trail. I'm going to turn back. The sky is super threatening. I'm hearing thunder. Haven't seen any lightning, but it can't be far away. I don't want to get soaked. I'm still on the Atascocita hike and bike trail on my way to West Lake Houston Parkway. Looks like it's sprinkled some here on the trail, so those dark clouds are where I would be heading. I don't want to push my I don't know that luck's the right word, but let's just don't push the weather. This is the end of the Atascocita Hike and Bike Trail. Someday they're supposed to expand it, go across the West Lake Houston Parkway and to the south. Boy, these clouds look threatening. I'm going to go back to, head back to Kingwood. The sky is a little brighter, which direction I'm pointing in right now. I'm at 13.9 miles. Time is 4 minutes after 11. Well, I caught the rain. This is Pinehurst Trail, Atascocita. As you can see, the streets are wet. It's raining. Maybe I can ride out of it. I'm riding to the northwest. Well, I found a small gazebo to be in. It's not the greatest, but it's better than being out in the rain. One soaked puppy here. It's 12 minutes after 11. You can see the rain coming down. Top of that's windy, and I'm wet, and the temperature feels like it's dropping. I made it to 15.4 miles. I improvised a little bit of rain cover, mostly for wind, by getting a bag out of one of the trash cans back where I was stopped at the gazebo. It's raining lightly. Headed back to Kingwood.